morning on a very crisp mid-40s morning, starting the Zealand Trail, heading out to the Thoreau Falls on the Ethan Pond Trail. Nice 9.5 mile out and back. Should be a good day. Not a ton of elevation gain today, maybe 800-900 feet. So we should be able to make some good time. Beautiful canopy. A little rocky and rooty. Easy to moderate climb. Three-quarters of a mile in, just off trail. Zealand Pond. The hour mark. No moosey. 2.5 miles in, we're going to turn off. We're not heading to the Zealand Hut. We're going to head on the Ethan Pond Trail and head towards Thoreau Falls. This is gorgeous. Top of Z Cliff. That's a hike for another day. Z Cliff, iconic spot on the Appalachian Trail, or the Ethan Pond Trail, whatever you want to call it. What a day. Giant rock pile in behind me and up. This is just incredible. Rock pile. Rock slab. One more water crossing, I think, just before the falls. All right, we're turning on the Thoreau Falls Trail into the wilderness. Should be there shortly. 2 hours in, Thoreau Falls. This is what I'm talking about. Woo-hoo! Talk about well worth it. Looking out over the Pemmy Wilderness, Dio, New Zealand, Vaughan Cliff. Amazing. What an amazing falls. Beautiful trail today. Had the falls to myself. 2 hours back to the car. Until next time.